In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disconnect or remove a domain from Lovable AI. Open up Lovable AI, then select all projects from the left-hand side, and now choose the web app or website which you want to remove the domain from. Once you open up the app or website, in the top right corner, you will see the blue Publish button. Click on it, and then right here, it is going to tell you or show you the live URL, and you just want to click on Manage Domain or Manage Domains. From here, you will first need to set a new primary domain if the domain you are trying to change is set as primary. So I'm just going to set this as primary. And now in order to remove or disconnect this domain, we just have to click on the three dots and then click on Remove. This is going to disconnect it from the project. So we are going to confirm. And once you confirm, here it might take a little bit of time in order to finish up removing from your project. And just like that, we have successfully disconnected or removed the domain from our project. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.